Hello, my beautiful people. Happy Christmas and New Year in advance. Untouchable Mama. May God continue to bless you people. Whatever you put your hand on it will be blessed. Anything you say with your mouth will be blessed. So I have a little thing to talk. I'm not this too happy today. Now I want to talk. I will do her Google. Osagie, you are number one. You will remember number one. That one not the change. You no go change. You go remember number one. You be my number one. We know they misbehave for Facebook. I don't talk on yesterday. That one no go change and better. I diverse for you. You know why I diverse for you. Dion, I tell you. Ina hamawe. Ina we Dion Osagie. Do me a favor. Ina we gaswenye pa Eranomigho wawe audio we wawe video we. If you remember, go and look my message. Itamawe. Because oma we na sikoi, asikoi. Oma we na lene, agwa aboro we ba we aya tulemo, aya le. Obiani tana we nuga iswiniye wa we. Ona we tell Dion Osagie should not mention my name anymore. Dion, I know here we maybe a mistake or ya swiniye. Have a question ni aga ni aga no way ni. Bebe ne na ni re ni veni ano water a battle repa. Who jump that answer that question? Who answer me we? Here we matia boneo. We no give no time we awe man no gba oge we prison we do treating am very only or that. Here we matia bonnet bet. I will never mention that name. You understand? Who are wrong give any my brother. He told me any menje. He bury me no man ba woman. No, I will not do it. Well, ya wa dere na ni ofofo. He target ofofo. Oh, when no mu redi amu do. I don't bloody care. That is me for you. I tell you now, Dion, is when you pa Eranomigho. Forget that man. Or when we is when you. When he me German hamame when you is when you. Or man you offend the mail, or when you guys when I will leave everything for God's hands. It may Yahweh me. So I diverse for you, my brother. Me with you go talk maybe later. Private. Then that is for you, Dion. Anytime I don't even know where you ya fe. You might have your boba way. Bet la wo. I want to even you want my way because on my own you go work with private la wo. A bat or a Eranomigho. That's when you anything at all you want to do, that's when you ever. Or one way is when you forget. You understand? Forget any it's when you we una we video. Or man know anything about or who will not hammer, who will not take the next give me the next you want to ask one who reply the next step. It's not time when no man reply. The task we must ask when you I understand. So that is for you. You will remember number one, will change because we misbehave with Facebook. That's why I misbehave. Number one, because Facebook why when you say why I promote a business, I say you know what they is so la will go. Hey, make sure a Eranomigho. Forget that a Eranomigho. When we swing hey swing when you time I went Dion Osagie, swing on enough of any. A Eranomigho domo wa talk be. Bene Dion Osagie we a video ni. Ona no where no answer yen. Who answer baby no time away. Do one una feel like tas. Una feel like no answer no time where they have man no gba oge ni wa se ti ka mi yan be and white it on. Who turn your back then the rest. Who forget about? Even you wanna ya even on do worst na. Who forget the rest? A case come no 419 no, eri no pa no, o mo khan salu o khan ve mujo. Wetin be all this one? Let's give my way mature pa. You will remember pa. You will remember pa because even what they need, you are doing the good job for the people. Webo. I believe one day, I pray, every day I pray, one day, so I mean, we watalele, and ya wununari, and I get dology. Now, anayari, and I get dology. Here, we sometimes say, and now you touches Dion Osagie, or when you attack Okbiana. I know. But Dion, forget. Just face your life, face your business. Epala wo. Oma no where he. No where he. Ona we video when you reply. If you feel like you reply. For me, always that video ni. We email what thinking who can reply. For me, when that video, I was thinking who can reply that video. You know, because we made time, we made that time. Because we're beg the video I beg. Well, forget it, we on your moment now. I was surprised when me you know the way we get a reply. Okay, we reply ni. Ukata we scam no for one no ba no. Any man no demo, any man no ba hama when you susu what's on your back and forget about the rest. We don't need that man will do azon no do azolota. Ah, we do azolo do a we TV no mahia any man no demo pa. Ah? Any man no demo. Okay, where your son no. When no wait video ni, who forget who we made no haya reply, no haya the gweg oneself. Oya na me we to we expect when ni so ni when we attack again. Because we watch jena because omana we video na question ni we self. Wa wu go egun go mani go wa wu ma def ma bege mi no. Oya to we expect we ha. Or the so ni me or why so ni me e it's not like that pa. No where we so every year no we hata o man no we ha isi linie oji emi so ro we hata wo wa ku wa wo ma dege emi no tani so e pala wo nezo na be dore ni we meba we because e so we tala to bani when la Europe when nya Europe Nigeria I threaten no ma we bo threaten no ma we bo like problem. So when you forget, only a dog one kana. Then no what I even what reply no what am I when you forget. Or the whole self, because for me, I believe now who they do reply. Who reply? He made the video. I was thinking now it was a parent beg very John, you know say I the verse for you. Because American weather the swinye Eranomigho at all. I don't fair tell you because when me watch you there me not for anybody talk with we get it like you well. No, if I like you now we me down. If asa no wa heke wa be in tie. That is me for you. Asa no wa heke I will just give you. Like me now because when we Jenny I can one we sig baba ne we swinye pa. Forget, mind your business. Do your right way in wauni we say ore pa Eranomigho or what we win no what we bo na or we name am save it down. So you people why in wauni is different things. So that dog awoge emi kpo wa be je na awa be mwezo wa be ya like new year so abage ma yezo ya la new year e gi ma mi oku gbe e gi ma mo ku mi ame gbe ma e go no na hu ne no pa ya no pa ragbon no pa hu ne no pa ragbon e oni maje oni eri ma we ni ma gbe ni ma gogo ni ma leru ne gbe ma e na yezo adu ati e bo ne mi oviedo ave we he nya ha be so nya we oviedo ha be je yezo ya la 2018 so abage ma yezo ya la 2018 epala wo emi ya ne jono sageta o hanga ansa imegido imi we na emi ya no wata o wa be la dia o be do ansa jo sage kere gbe no we ni ni me si o boge fa ya be jono sage ogba otu when we wata we is your son you forget emi ya no wata we no wa ya no wa o gele wa ni ade o wa be do reply you work polo gbera ni ne epa only when you make time wepa. So anyway, you are going to tete tani, my colleague, my sister. My de 10 minutes, my 10 minutes, Sivani at all. Woman needs the nutia bonnet pa Eranomigho. Oh, I be the net way pa or matia bonway very round. Man need to no yo. Every man no matter how. No matter how. On our way, no matter ke abetame. Then imagine if what I yet it a bonnet panor pa Eranomigho. Yet it a bonnet. Because he had a bonnet in the metabone, a head brother imewa. When a head brother image, yet he of you. No, or in our way, no matter now, whom a one up at a bomb say, if Bunko to you one, or te not an egg by Babaniri. Or mammy was one no way, your mammy reply, your mammy me tama, irrespective no, irrespective no, but men have a woman at your bonnet, it as on your give away the person. So that is that. So iyo te toma heke no ro ye pa to mother de heke because very meje me titi e boni pa why no say na tai ka ha me jono sege na wait temi pa swini the gba we make am one jono sege because me na ka won no ma we na we ona we gbe we una we do we mo we de do yasa ya fi we mi ka ha ma wonu ga iwe so that is me for you understand? So a palawo wo oye oteteni forgive maybe no if not see another go when una sunuje eniyan wo kan una sunuje ogo ya wo kon say give ya because many things run we wa mo bo wa talola dia e pa wa limit am na you understand o mana go wa limit mi no ata me we ti go an bet e do avia me no gbera odo ya ri etete oni ma me no de mo ni ro pa me no je understand because e just I get done all we video na wala dia na ati ebo no we mo ha wa be ladia you guys zero view because you talk about we because very meje me like you guys zero view because just say me we video no ya review we ime ye tai and then no wa we video onye na we sensitive we because e ma dey stupid dey on so e panu wela ogogo eni ya ene le gbe ya tolo ma ere ya tolo a scan no genocide hini man like no need to be saying it 100 times 1000 times na forget have a problem na ni ma face me no man ni ma ha wo da o oni mayaje so you tell I pray we maybe we audio no ya apologize no be ani because ma we say for me I think we say good but for me ma we say because me ti yeti de ba no na ni de ba no pa because all time I am here, we are done here. You know, man need no robi pa at all. But if I make an honor be, what if I may just say can honor be for me to causing no atia bonona, need them by not by mewe, I will tell we were the edge of anyway time, now anyway come away partner way. Or my heke, I don't even know Duataloni, any rock by men no demo. Or my heke ni quella just no the way video. Just I get a red benoit video, none of it Duata way. Now so you say no. Epa o me many things in no time no me many things in Italy. Continue that job no wa oni. I pray one day osabua all yewe no wa eva han ya setiseto egbo wa because nobody no setiseto wa eva pa kan ha setiseto egbo wa. So only wa be ni here ni wa eta you to tell we cause ya beg no mama I go talk am we wage itai we no ta we o magba just for me o magba we no ya bo pa o magba o ma de gba because they you know say get mana swe ni pa e pa la dia no we do tem no do ta ve we no deni ma understand so any also na time because o ma heke my be ni ma joma heke ma ati bone no se myself you know say we are we titi mi ma egbo no ave no do ata me no do ati ke we okay na ye na wrong do be yen hiwe so no need because even me kata yet it born no seven e pa we remember e pa just say give you how we hinepa or when we swini you forget I know we jemu we mama set call we no apologize forget onya we na ke ko wa miewo so forget maybe one day you have something we dey form it we how are you my son we be surprised so for now or we manage very on so you forget swini that is all. Only me kere ni wa be tana na from Untouchable mama wala wo ni my zo ya la a new year my zo ya la ato from Untouchable mama remain blessed one love bye bye.